Success in UPSC isn't built in fragments, it's shaped through symmetry. Prelims, mains and interview are not separate battles, they are reflections of one aligned journey. A journey that begins with a strong foundation and steady direction. At VisionIAS Bengaluru, the GS Foundation Course 2027, starting 8th December at 8 am, helps you build that balance where every class connects ideas, every test refines understanding, and every discussion deepens clarity. Here, learning goes beyond coverage. It's about comprehension, connection, and consistent growth. Because when focus meets feedback and effort stays aligned, success follows naturally. The course offers structured classes that strengthen your foundation, regular tests with detailed feedback for steady progress, personalized mentoring to keep preparation on track, an integrated approach connecting concepts and current affairs in advanced classroom setup. So, step up, walk the path of symmetry and build your UPSC victory with VisionIAS Bengaluru. To know more or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.